Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, if you're new here, my name is Chelan and this is FemMNY. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful ring right here. You can use this for wedding, engagement, or wedding anniversary. So if you want to know how to make this, please stick around and I will show you how. Materials for this video, for this project, we have 260Q gold and 260Q silver. And we need lots of balloon glue dots. Start off with the gold. We'll make some beads. Make a knot and then push it all the way to. Then pinch and twist. Another one, pinch and twist. So you want to make sure they're about the same. You gotta hold on to the first one. So I'll push all the air right here. And I'll cut just enough so I can hold it. Because we're gonna tie this. Never let go with your beads. Chop this off. So I got this two right here. So use a plastic, you know, for the balloon. Use those stuff. This is the one like a foil balloon. Any straw or something or stick. Put it right here just to keep that in place, and I'll tape this here for now, just so it won't get on. Keep it there for now. Then pump the rest of the pump more air. Same thing, you pinch and twist. So about the same. So this time we're making 3 beads. Right there, again, push this. I'll cut longer so I have enough balloons so I can tie this with. Now you have this. Okay, so now you need your balloon glue dots. Put one in here. One on here. As I said, never let go with your beads. We have those. Let's grab the 2 balloons that we have here, but beads I should say, and then stick this here. And now you can let go of that. Okay, so basically this is what we're doing right here. We're doing 2, 3, 4, 5 beads and 4. So now we'll continue on. So after this, we'll make 4 beads. So you put these 2 in between like that. So this one never let go because there's no balloon dots yet. There. Let's continue. Now 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going back to 4. Alright, so just like that, guys. So we start off 2, 3, 4 beads, 5 beads, and back to 4. So it'll be like that shape. Alright guys, so this time we'll make the ring itself. So I will pump this all the way, leaving just a little tip. Leaving just that little tip at the end. Hanging. So I'll make this the same size as this too. So no particular size on how big is your circumference of your ring. So pinch it together and then pinch and twist. So this one I'll just go like that so it's securely in place. So now I'm gonna pinch this one here. So this one we'll get rid of this later. Fold this one and pinch and twist. Like about the same size as your beads, okay? And you make another one. Again, you fold this one, pinch and twist. And then just wrap this extra around. Bunch of hole in here. Get rid of the air, and then the extra, just wrap it around. I'll get rid of the other bubble right here. And then just tie them together. So now it's time to shape this into like circle or round. There you go, guys. And now we need our gem right here. See right here? I'll put this in between your ring, just like that. And we'll put some blue dots. Then stick this on here. To support more, I'm gonna put more dots, one on each side right here. And there you go, guys. There's our ring right here. It's simple and easy to make right there. Hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Once again, this is FamMMNY. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something from this channel, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you and bye!